Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of dividend investing, a powerful strategy to build passive income streams and secure your financial future. If you're ready to take control of your finances and grow your wealth, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Point 1. What is dividend investing? Dividend investing is a strategy where investors buy shares of companies that pay out dividends to their shareholders. These dividends are a portion of the company's profits distributed to investors on a regular basis. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can generate a steady stream of passive income. Point 2. Benefits of dividend investing. One of the key benefits of dividend investing is the passive income it generates. Unlike traditional investing, where you rely solely on capital appreciation, dividend investing provides a consistent cash flow. Additionally, dividend-paying stocks tend to be more stable and less volatile, making them a great option for long-term investors. Point 3. How to start dividend investing. To start dividend investing, you'll need to do your research and identify companies with a history of paying out dividends. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, a track record of consistent dividend payments, and a sustainable payout ratio. Diversifying your portfolio with a mix of high yield and growth stocks can help mitigate risk and maximize returns. Point 4. Strategies for success. When it comes to dividend investing, consistency is key. Reinvesting your dividends can help accelerate the growth of your portfolio over time through the power of compounding. Additionally, staying informed about market trends, company performance, and economic indicators can help you make informed investment decisions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering dividend investing and building passive income streams. Remember, successful investing takes time, patience, and a solid strategy. By incorporating dividend investing into your financial plan, you can create a reliable source of income and achieve your long-term financial goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and insights. Until next time, happy investing.